Welcome everyone to Magnetic Automation. Today we are going to see how to add TestNG plugin in Eclipse. Okay, so before proceeding, I will check whether my Eclipse is having TestNG or not. How to check? I need to go inside window. Inside window there is a preferences, and there you will look for TestNG option at the bottom. Okay, so let's click on Windows. In the preferences I will go. Here I need to look for what TestNG. I think so there is no TestNG available here. Okay, so now I will show you basic steps for adding TestNG plugin. So for that purpose, I will open any browser like Firefox, and in that I will go on testng.org. 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 Okay, and here at the bottom little bit, or you can do the control F, and here look for Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse plugin. You will find here Eclipse plugin as the option. Just click on that. After clicking, go little down. They will provide URL for having TestNG in your Eclipse. This is the URL. Okay, HTTPS something, you can see this is the URL which is there, and they have given procedure also how to do TestNG installation. So I will just copy this URL and provide this URL in the video's description. Plus I will copy this URL and used this URL for installation of TestNG. Okay, so inside help I need to go, and inside help there is install new software. In this I need to paste here the copied URL. As soon as you paste here, then it will look on internet and will give you the option as what TestNG in this grid. Okay, it might take some time in your case, but it will have this TestNG here. Okay, so what is the step? Once again I will repeat. I need to go inside help. Inside help I need to click on install new software. Inside this I need to paste the URL, copied URL, and press enter. It will look for TestNG plugin and will show inside this grid. Okay, like this. See, I just pasted and it has given me the option like this. I need to select this and click on the next. Okay, it is calculating some requirement and dependencies. After this, it will ask you for confirmation. Okay, just wait here till the next page is loaded. Yeah, so it is just reviewing. Now click on the next button once again. Accept the terms and condition and click on finish. See, as soon as you click on finish, see installing new software you are getting as a here. Will we be waiting here till the time it is get 100%? It might give some warning. You need to accept that warning. It will take some time. If you're getting warning like this, then click on install anywhere. Installation is successful. Now it is asking to restart your Eclipse. So just click on restart. Eclipse getting restart. So let's confirm whether my Eclipse is having TestNG or not. Inside window I need to go, and in the window I need to click on preferences. At the bottom somewhere you should get TestNG as an option. Okay, so we have did successfully the installation of TestNG. This much is for this video, everyone. Thanks a lot. If you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video.